Welcome to US Classic Muscle Cars. Please enjoy the next video.
Hello, Keith Matuszewski, Cyclofab Limited. I do a lot of graveyard builds. This was one. This was at Copart. Used to be pearl white. Obviously now it's a one takeoff blue. Bought it with 2,000 miles, 2018, Vanderhall, Venice. Everything we drive is just like this, out of the graveyard.
So what is this to begin with?
Vanderhall, Venice. Vanderhall, Venice.
And so describe what that is for people.
Boy,
All right, let's take a look at it. Stuff like that. What are we looking at right here?
So we're looking at a Vanderhall. So this is a 1.4 Chevy Cruze transaxle turbo. About 195 horsepower. I put a chip in it. It's got a catless downpipe on it. 6-speed paddle shift.
Dad, look at that one. Can we look at this one?
And front-wheel drive?
Yes, front-wheel drive. Yes, traction control. It has heated seats. It has a heater, Bluetooth technology for your Pandora.
Really? Wow. Are you selling it? And what year is this?
2018.
I thought you were going to say 2022. I was going to. Cool. And then so how much does this thing weigh?
1,300 pounds.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a go-kart on steroids.
And so is this officially?
It's my son-in-law.
Oh, there you go. Is this officially a car or a motorcycle?
Autocycle, actually.
Oh, really?
Yep. Do not need a motorcycle license.
Okay.
No airbag.
That is so cool. And then, how many people have you let drive this thing so far?
Just a couple. Yeah, just a couple. Yep.
What are we looking here? We got the miles per hour, or those?
Yeah, you know, all the gauges. This is the radio, Bluetooth technology. Normal automatic shifter, all the way backing up, engages the paddle shift or whatever you want to call it.
Cool. And then, does this thing ever have a top to it or no?
No, they do. You know, the newer ones do. They offer a roof. Not this one.
Okay.
Yep.
And then, how is it to drive with the exhaust being right there?
You haven't been burned yet.
There you go. That is cool. And then the back wheel is steering.
No, front wheel steering.
Oh, really?
Yep.
Wow.
All anti-lock brakes. They put a lot of technology in this.
Yeah, I'm surprised to see the shock on one side versus in the middle, maybe in the back and stuff like that.
Here, let me find the original.
And these are all friends and family?
Yes, daughter, first granddaughter, friend.
So the whole van.
So that's how it started.
There you go.
That's how it started. Front left damage.
Wow.
No airbags, obviously, because they didn't have any.
Right. The air is all the way above you.
Yep.
That is so cool.
Dog.
Oh, really? No? Typical.
3, 2, 1.
Hi, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please share this with your friends.